When it comes to school, and indeed in life, at any given stage, there are one of three things that you could choose to focus on. The first thing are the things you can't change. And when people focus on things they can't change, it tends to make them really stressed and frustrated, as there's nothing they can do to improve it. Second are the things that you can influence. This is certainly better than focusing on the things you can't change, but it's still not ideal. And the third and final thing are the things that you can control. And when people focus on the things they can control, it tends to improve both their motivation and their performance.
So, what does this mean for you? Well, perhaps the best way of illustrating this is for you to draw the diagram that's coming up right now on a piece of paper in front of you. Now, think about any event that is coming up in the near future where you're going to have to perform well. So, think about that event and think about the things that you are worried about. The things that you're worried about that you can't change, well, write them down in the area marked can't change. The things that you can only influence, well, mark those down in the area marked influence. And then finally, in the center bit, write down all the things that you are worried about that you can actually control. So now that you've written those things down on your diagram, let's use the diagram to decide what things we should be focusing on and what things we should not be focusing on.
As you can see, we think online student workshops should be
research-based,
practical,
value for money,
and really fun to do.
And if this sounds exactly what you'd like for your students, then go to the InnerDrive Online Academy now.